Okay, but the two little like hinge pieces here, like the 1/8 styrene, I have like a chopper from Micro Mark, and for some reason the thing was just cutting. It wouldn't cut a square, make a square cut. It was cutting on an angle. I don't know. Haven't used it in a long time. I tried to use it for this and no go. So what I did was I used you know, you got to improvise, right? So this little vise here has like a V groove, and so I would just I'd stick the styrene rod through it, so it just stuck out a little, and I'd use one of my homemade sanding boards, and I'd just sand it so I got a nice square end, and then I chopped it off with my you know, the little nippers that cut parts off the sprues. I cut it a little bit long, but before I cut it, I put a little pencil mark on those little pieces. And so I just pushed it, like, you know, I pushed the 1/8 rod through, and I pushed it so my pencil mark was in line with the face of the you know, the vise. And then I clamped it, and I just sanded it once again. So I got like two nice square cuts on that. And then here's a little piece that goes in the middle. I did the same thing on all three of these pieces, you know. Just stick a rough cut piece out, sand it off, so now you get a square cut, put a line on it, chop it with the nippers, and then, you know, kind of a pain, but that's the way, you know, that's what I had to do to get some nice looking square cuts on this piece of 1/8 styrene.